Next, all ingredients are carefully mixed together in large industrial mixers, creating a smooth chocolate batter.
Next, all ingredients are carefully mixed together in large industrial mixers, creating a smooth chocolate batter.
Look at that rich, glossy chocolate batter. And this is what makes lava cakes so irresistible.
The batter is carefully poured into molds, ready to be baked to perfection.
The cakes enter the ovens, where heat transforms them into soft, molten-centered desserts.
As they bake, the cakes travel along the conveyor, ensuring even heat for that perfect molten center.
Freshly baked, the lava cakes emerge warm and delicious, their centers still gooey.
Each cake is carefully checked for texture, size, and appearance to ensure perfection.
Now, our delicious lava cakes are packed with care, ready for delivery.
Check the throughput on the tablet. We're hitting the target, steady pace.
All packed and ready. These cakes are now prepared to reach chocolate lovers everywhere.
The boxes are loaded onto trucks, ensuring fresh delivery to stores and homes.
Just look at that molten chocolate center, pure indulgence in every bite.
Enjoy your homemade style chocolate lava cake. Delight in every mouthful.